You told me is somebody daughter come sleep over your house. You told me it's a Trini lady daughter come sleep over. But I know that the police reporter said, brother. You say the little girl, the mother, reported to the police. I know that the police reporter said.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we have Mr. Vegas coming forward with actual proof in his phone saying that him and CMR talk, and I know that the report say it matters not matters. So Mr. Vegas say he come out go expose one liar and it's saying sick. Also, Blak Ryno was throwing shade at Vybz Kartel and Popcaan through Popcaan, but you know, by Cartel, they watch mature shade. We go get into that as well. Jada Kingdom has a message for the young girls, so we have a lot to get into. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. Leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. Stay tuned. So Mr. Vegas came out and said that he had a conversation with CMR because he texted him and asked him, what is this? CMR tell him, say, I want Trini woman and him pitney sleepover, and yeah, in the morning he going to the pitney them room for touch up on her shoulder and wake her up. And Mr. Vegas I said, but I know that the police report they say, and CMR tell him say the woman mother the pitney mother report it, but I know that the police report say. So Mr. Vegas come out and say basically CMR sick and him a liar, and he did have to just show him up because he can't believe say he tell such a wicked lie. So don't take it from me. Check this out.
You told me is somebody daughter come sleep over your house. You told me it's a Trini lady daughter come sleep over. So right there say click to me say me no want my pit then go sleep on nobody yard, you know. One, me not sure how I go on, me not know how I go on. And two, me no want nobody accuse me of anything. But I know that the police reporter said, brother. You say the little girl, the mother, reported to the police. I know that the police reporter said. You say the mother is a Trini. And the little girl sleep over your house. And you went to wake her up and you touch her upon her shoulder and say, get up, time to school. You told me that your stepdaughter was already up playing with her iPad on the bed. You told me that your wife had to download the footage them that you had to show that you are innocent and take it to the court. And that is how you got bail. You told me that they didn't even put a bangle on you. They never put no monitor on you, no bracelet, excuse me. Because the judge said, why is it that the mother is saying one thing and the child is saying something else? You said the child say. So you tell me, you know. You said the child say to the court, or in her report, that she never said you touch her upon her breast. And the mother says so. You're very dangerous, brother, if what this police report is saying is what actually the child reported. And the reason I feel obligated to do this is because I not protect predators, brother. And I want whosoever involved to see this, to make them know that you are a liar. And them can take my phone for forensic if them need it. Because I don't like predators, brother. What in the report bothers me so much when I not sleep last night? Yeah. And the fact that she had to go to the school or somebody outside of the home to make a complaint about you, it's telling. The report says you pulled down her pants The report said this happened 3 times. You were grooming her if this is the case. But it's contradictory to what you told me. So where is the Trini mother, CMR? Where is the girl that sleep over, CMR? As a father, you send me, you give me information, and it clicked in and said, no, me must go protect this little girl because me don't want she there at school or they out there and people that say she get, molested by her stepdaddy. So of course, me go out if it stop that bleeding there. But you open up more wounds because you're sick. If this police record is really what happened, and me get it from a legitimate site. You're crazy, brother. You need help, brother. A baby that, brother. And I can't believe you. Say nothing no go so, or nothing no go on. Why? Because you lied to me, bro. Remember, say you never have to even say nothing to me, Me just text you and say, brother, where this no look good. That's all I said to you, You never have to even say nothing to me. Me even say to you, say, remember, say this can be used against you in a court of law. So me make you know, say, they have to protect you if something really goes so, if something really goes so. But as a father, I felt obligated to protect that little girl.
I would like to thank and commend Mr. Vegas for coming forward. I noticed that it's not being highlighted. I must see somebody missed posted from last night. So let's see what really ever go down, because after today, I don't want to hear nobody can talk about the innocent. Okay? Because Mr. Vegas didn't have the evidence in him phone. So I'm going to argue with him about that. But tell me what you think in the comment section. Remember our video with Popcaan and Cartel? Well, Blak Ryno never like what he said. He make a post on the IG after the video. Now, like me say, Cartel himself come and say him and Papi did up and down. The relationship looks like everybody, family, friend, everybody up and down. Sometimes we're not friend, next year we're not a friend and make up back, right? So now, this is what Blak Ryno post on the in IG status. Well, actually it was a post that is now deleted. So he posted a picture say, we no big friend, rebel for life. Somebody in the comment section say laughing emoji feelings. And people that are saying in sound bad mind. You understand? But me don't really know exactly why they fall out. But me knows the Popcaan and Ryno did fight and Ray. So I don't know. But hopefully everybody can get along, because as you can see, Cartel slowly put back the empire together, right? So yeah, that but it deleted, so you must know. But anyways, when you tell me what you think in the comment section. Miss Jada Kingdom have a message for the young girl. She said basically you know want a situation and relationship and you're unhappy, but I still am there forever, because next thing you know when you turn 40 and we say young years with somebody where it not go work out, and then by the time you left, all your time gone. Like, listen to what she say.
You make a decision and you move on. That's what life is about. Time no wait for no man, and at least hesitating by the time you look at 40, 50. We should do this, we should do that. No.
I remember when Spice went live accidentally spilled say part she pregnant, and you know about it after that, and then now with this she have a video and she come and she say, nah, make no boy trap me with no baby, you're crazy. And I look for the video, I can't find it. But yeah, she and Party break up. If you look on him pages, she say she not dead anymore. But hopefully she will find love one day eventually. Yeah, big up Jada. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.